A satellite has blasted into orbit to measure the levels of methane gas in the atmosphere. Methane is believed to be a major contributor to global warming because it traps in the heat. This new project will flag up where there are high levels of the greenhouse gas, as our climate editor Justin Rowlett explains.
3, 2, 1, ignition, and liftoff.
A Falcon 9 rocket blasts off overnight. Amongst its payload, a satellite designed to sniff out the telltale fingerprint of methane in the light reflected back from Earth. It will orbit 15 times a day, tracking methane emissions leaking from oil and gas facilities around the globe. The sector is an important source of this powerful planet-warming gas.
We know that these emissions are fixable. So with current technologies, all the methane emissions from the oil and gas operations can actually be fixed at almost zero cost. So if you don't know where the emissions are happening, you cannot fix them. So if you have data on where the emissions are happening, you can fix them.
The data will be publicly available. It will help oil and gas companies identify leaks from their operations, and at the same time, regulators and the general public will be able to check to make sure those leaks are fixed. The Environmental Defense Fund, the US-based charity behind the satellite, hopes the data it provides will help cut methane emissions from oil and gas infrastructure by almost half by the end of the decade.
T+, 30 seconds into flight.
Justin Rowlett, BBC News.
See some great views of the California coast down there below.